So once again, we're seeing the Shiba Inu team working hard as ever. Now the team is replying to specific comments that you have, and I think this gained a lot of trust into the project. When you can ask the developers anything and everything without getting banned, without getting in any sort of trouble, then the developers actually reply to you, that's when I think the project is the next big thing. What's going on, everyone? Today I'll be talking about some important updates. Thank you so much for dropping a like. I really do appreciate you in such times. But what does this even mean? It means that it isn't simple as checking your buried Shiba for awards at 8 p.m. on the dot. It starts at 8 p.m. East, but due to amount of data and people using a Shiba swap, it takes a time to compute and distribute the funds. Bone Eater. So hopefully they fixed it by now, but you can see here, depending on volume and the data would week, the process might vary in minutes, hours, weekly. So that's why your rewards might be delayed. But if you keep returning, your rewards will still be there. They just need to be processed. So that's really awesome to see. People are excited about that. People are checking their rewards every single week because they're obviously getting rewards, which is really fun. Shiba Inu. What crypto are you bullish on this weekend? And we are all bullish on Shiba Inu right now. And Kraken Exchange knows this. Kraken Exchange knows that there's a lot of potential for Shib. And if we check over here, I think a lot of people have actually put Shib on the replies. There's a lot of coins. So we see here, simply put, people have been saying what they are bullish on. But Shiba Inu is simply one of them. So that's really exciting to see. You can see here Shiba Inu being on number 9 trending spot. Well, these are some new coins like the million token, obviously. But they do not have as big a market cap as Shiba. So in truth, they are not as big, but they are the most growing ones. So for example, if you bought them at early prices in the US, you would get them for great value. Shiba Inu here, however, is still one of the trendy coins. All through not as much as it was before. Will we be seeing Shiba Inu taking back the charts? Bitcoin and Ethereum are obviously the most dominating. I definitely do think so, especially as new projects stop growing as much. Shiba Inu can definitely reclaim its throne as it gets more exchanges, as it gets more updates, and more things like that. And yeah, that's why you see a delayed thing here, the delayed reward. But Shiba Inu to disappoint bulls unless Shib regains crucial level of support. This is from FX Street. And I have been reading articles from FX Street before. Just wanted to show you a clip that we are basically needing bulls to keep it together and keep Shiba Inu up.
Yeah, it's one of those ones that it's filled with frustrations and potential patterns and opportunities that really is yet to fulfill anything from a bullish side. There's not a lot to say about Shiba that hasn't been said before. Clearly, the May 19th low at 607 is a governing level. We'll see that we did undercut but close back above. We did undercut and close back above, and then we go bottoming process. It's
for really important support levels.
So they are saying that Shiba Inu could potentially go up if the bulls make it so. That's really exciting. If they can finally make another support for Shiba Inu will stop dropping as much even when Bitcoin rises. So you can see a big sell-off over here. And then slowly but surely, they're predicting that over time, we're going to be seeing Shiba Inu's growth back. So if it gets this support at 86985, and it stays stable like that, that's when we could be seeing that potential growth. So Shiba Inu to disappoint bulls unless Shib regains crucial level of support. But there's 3 reasons why Bitcoin is or was not back at above 40K. Hopefully one day I wake up and Bitcoin will simply be put at 40,000 per one coin. But Bitcoin pulls appear to be back, but strengthening US dollar, a new wave of COVID-19 infections, and low trading volumes threaten the current recovery. All of these things affect crypto's prices right now because crypto is, in the end, it's still an investment, right? And when you don't have money, when you have to use that money for fighting illnesses, money goes elsewhere. Money doesn't go into crypto. Money doesn't go into stocks. Obviously, stocks are much more important to crypto because in terms, stocks are bound to many more things. They're bound to companies. And if these companies fail, a lot of people lose their jobs. And if people lose their jobs, well, it's not going to be good. But the ongoing story for a couple of past months in the cryptocurrency market has been confusion on whether Bitcoin is destined for another leg down or is finally ready to break out from the new highs. Bitcoin's price history and data from previous corrections suggest the current struggles for the top cryptocurrency could persist for a little bit longer due to the strengthening dollar, the possibility of decreasing economic stimulus, and a slew of technical factors connected to Bitcoin's price action. So many things are actually correlating with Shiba Inu's price. And when that improves, that's when we could be seeing that potential growth for Shib. We just gotta wait so things even out, Bitcoin has bull and bear runs. Right now, a strong dollar threatens Bitcoin's recovery. So dollar is going strong and it's placing strain on risk assets around the globe that is threatening US dollar, which appears to be attempting a trend reversal after falling below 90 in late May. And we can see that the correction is not yet over. So it seems like that Bitcoin will still be dropping during August, as I predicted, which appeared on Bitcoin's chart in late June, has been followed by the corrective period that can last for nearly a year. So that's simply crazy to me. We saw something that was, lasting here almost a year. Hopefully we see something back in September, or maybe, sooner. I'm definitely hoping sooner, but probably won't happen. We might be seeing this to last until 2022, Shiba Inu's prices being like this, but I definitely do hope not. For back in 2014, we saw this for 3 to 4 years. Look at this. It went a slow increase. Obviously, it lasted up a year here. Same thing happened back in 2017. It went down. It had a huge drop and then slowly rise back up. And it went down, then it slowly went back up. And we're seeing this, sudden drop in Bitcoin. And according to analyst Delphi Digital, the 12-month moving average is being tested at support, and a dip below this level would signal further downside for Bitcoin's price. So the institutions are still waiting to buy Shiba Inu and both Bitcoin at low prices. I don't necessarily think that we see nearly as significant of a drawdown as we did in, say, post-December 2017, early 2018, and into the end of the year. But I do think, just given the structure of the market, that we could potentially be in for a short-term vitality and potentially some more headwinds here in the near term. So that is for August. August is not probably going to be improving from this research. I'm completely fine with that, even if August doesn't improve, as long as September, when El Salvador comes in with Bitcoin, are they going to be saving us or are we going to get wrecked? I don't think Bitcoin will be going anywhere, as obviously it has survived the bull run, and as it's surviving this bull run, that means we are still okay. Even during the bear market, we are still getting our rewards. And those rewards could increase over time as Shib, as Bone, as Leash, as all of these coins that are in the works right now. And the team has been working very hard on providing us even more in the future. So this time, we're going to be seeing more updates very, very close. Now, when is this close? When am I saying, that we're going to be getting something big? If you did not understand me, that is going to be in September, that is going to be December, October, and so on. The worst case scenario is that Shiba Inu will only start having this massive growth in the Q1 of 2022. So I'm going to repeat myself here. I do potentially feel like that we could be seeing another growth at Q1 of 2022 instead of, maybe September. If we don't see anything in September, we should surely be seeing something in December, January, February. Something along those lines, but it seems like Bitcoin is playing the long-term game now, and Shiba Inu can do nothing but let the developers do their own thing, do the project, obviously give people their rewards, and just wait. The most important factor is waiting right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace everyone.